If you've ever had trouble trying to manifest something, you might just be taking the wrong approach. In this video, I'm going to show you a new method of manifesting. Once you learn this new technique, you're going to want to try it as soon as possible. It really doesn't take that long for amazing things to start happening in your life. I love sharing new and different money saving and making strategies that really work. I've been using and sharing this technique with my one-to-one clients and in my mastermind program with great success, and I wanted to share it with you too. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Aoife from Prudence Money Penny Coaching, and I'm a money mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on bringing abundance and positive transformation into your life. This space is about increasing your money mindset and manifesting with universal laws. I post new videos regularly, so why not subscribe? And if you find this content useful, click the thumbs up below. To manifest something simply means to make something happen for you or to you. If you want to get rid of something, you need to reframe your thoughts to bring something in instead. So let's say you want to get rid of your debt. The more you focus on the debt, the more you attract. Instead, focus on manifesting more money and use that to clear the debt. First, focus on the joy behind the debt. What pleasurable experience or fun thing did it bring into your life? Then say thank you for the debt and release it as it no longer serves you. Now you can start manifesting abundance. Gratitude is one of the most powerful frequencies to manifest from because gratitude attracts more things to be grateful for. There's a part of your brain called the reticular activating system. And to put it very simply, whatever you feed it will continue to give you evidence of. So when you're feeding it gratitude, it's going to look for more things to be grateful for. Try this technique, and if it works for you, please leave me a comment below.